Hello, my stamping friends. This is Renee Novak at blessedbycards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and I'm here today to share with you another Make It Monday tutorial. Today we're going to use the Festive Words stamp set and create a few cards. Now, when I originally got this stamp set, I was thinking I would make a bunch of tags, but I'm having a lot of fun creating some cards. So let's get started with those. So the first card that I created, I used the little stocking, the fa la la little stocking. And so I just stamped that in balmy blue and cut it out with the paper snips. And on the top of my card, I tore a thin piece of balmy blue. I cut that up like 1 inch and then just tore it. And then I just took a black marker and made the little dots for the hanging of the stockings. And the Merry Christmas is from the Seasons of Greetings words that I've been using throughout the season. So my next card that I created, I decided to use the cute little Noel hat from this set. And so I used a little bit of designer series paper. I started with a basic white, and this is about a 2.5 piece of strip. You could get away with just a 2-inch strip if you wanted to, and then just a tiny little, probably about a 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch strip of a coordinating designer series. And then I just simply stamped the hat in black, and I just colored a little bit on the rim and some of the greenery around the hat. And that is how simple that card came together. So that's our second card. Then our last 2 cards I created for today, I used the Love, Peace, and Joy tree. And this one's mounted on a basic white again. And I just took a strip of designer series paper, or actually a 4 by 5 1/4 inch designer series paper. And then I just stamped the tree and mounted it up on some garden green to match the designer series paper. So again, super, super simple, quick and easy. Now this one I took a little bit more time with. I started with a vanilla card base, and then I added a piece of that golden greenery designer series paper, that real fun gold metallic paper. And I added another piece of gold foiling behind my tree. And my tree I stamped in Versamark, and I used some gold embossing powder, and hopefully you can see that in this video that I embossed the tree, and it really came out quite elegant. It didn't take a lot of time, but it did take more time than the other ones. So that is my Make It Monday for today. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Be sure to hop on over to my blog at blessedbycards.com and download a free PDF of all the supplies and the project sheets that I use for today's cards. So that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be blessed.